Hello guys, welcome to my channel Code with Deval. In today's topic, we are going to learn about how to securely access Android's Termux from your computer and also how to transfer file between your device to computer and computer to your device. And for that, we need to install one additional tool in Termux called OpenSSH. So let's see how to install that and make it run. It is really useful in case of you want to transfer like big code files from your computer to your device without any cable, and also it is useful to write some commands quickly from your computer instead of just writing all the stuff on mobile, right? Open Termux and write down one command which is pkg install OpenSSH and just press enter. When it's done, we need to start that service. The command is sshd, and you can see with ps space aux, you can see this ssh is running on the last second line. Now we need to find IP address of this Android device. You can find that using this command ifconfig, and on the second line you can see wlan 0, which is your IP, and the IP is 192.168.199.65. And now you need two other things, which is one is a username and another one is password. So username is already provided by Termux. You can get it by writing a command whoami, and to set up a password just write passwd, then you have to enter your password based upon your requirement. So now you can see your password is successfully set. Now move to your computer. Make sure both devices are connected with the same Wi-Fi network. And to transfer file, we are using this FileZilla tool, which is a free file transfer solution. Just open FileZilla. I already installed that. And from the upper left corner, insert your new site. You can name as per your want. Select protocol, which is SFTP, and write down the same IP address that we got from our device. And the port is 8022. User is u0 underscore a338, right? And password is your new password that you set, that you just set, right? And click on connect. Now you can see your Android's storage is visible here. But let's revise one thing. Like on phone, we were using this path, which is starting with TIDA, and here we are going to add the different part, which is the same, but in FileZilla we cannot use the above path. That's why we need to add this. And here you can find your Termux data folder, right, that we created earlier. And here to make this folder default, we can again go to site manager and we can add this path as a default remote directory in advanced option. Yeah. And local path, I'm using this Termux series which is located on desktop, and just click OK. So when we connect to our site, it will automatically open our required directory on both of sides, right? So let me show it again. You can see the default directory is changed to our folder. Now let's create one test file and let's see how we can transfer it to our Android device. So we just uploaded this test underscore termux txt to Android, and let's download from Android to our PC, right? So in both way it's working fine. Now let's see how to securely access our Termux session from computer, right? For that we are going to use this putty software which is SSH client. Write down the same IP address here, and the port is same 8022, and just click on open. Now add your username which is starting with U and your password. Now you can see the Termux session is available on your computer, and we can write down commands here as well.